Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Wings of the Bear Show. Back to the any kinds of Canbla, because we will have this one. Ooh, yeah, it's very small, but it's a little bit expensive. But yeah, it's okay for me because these are Beyblades, but not a whole Beyblade because we just ordered a blade, okay, from a random booster, and this is a confirmed booster, okay, a confirmed booster, but it's just the blade, because if you will buy the whole blade, it's a little bit very expensive. So yeah, so just let's go for the blade first. So yeah, so much for that. Let's go. Let's go and let's unleash this one with the use of our rusty but still trusted Happy Knife. Let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we unleashed two of these kits, and wow, man, even it's just the blade, but I'm very happy for this one because yeah, if you will try to have this on the random booster, I know that you will have a very hard time to get it. So if you want to have these kits or this have these blades, just the blade, okay, or the set of the Beyblade or the whole Beyblade itself, you need to get the whole set of the random boosters that you will be surely get the winning piece. Yeah, because I know Beyblade or the Takara Tomy, they really know what are the blades that are inside, or the Beyblade that inside is on the random boosters. So yeah, and they also sold them in sets also. So yeah, so this one, these are just the blades. This is the I think it's the second time that I bought from the random booster, but it's not the whole blade, okay? But it's just the blade for this one. And these are one of this is the winning piece. The winning piece Bay, but now it's just the blade. And the other one is the second winning piece. Okay, so let's have first the second winning piece, because we have your ooh, this is your, what is this? Shield, I forgot, tortoise, turtle. Yeah, I will just show you the name on the screen. I forgot, but it's like the reincarnation of the Draziel on the original, the Bakutin Shoot Beyblade. Yeah, so let's open this one. So this is already an unboxing, and they also give us the code, which we can use it on the Beyblade app. So I think I doesn't have a Beyblade app still, so I think I can. Yeah, do I have it or not? I think I don't have. Yeah, I don't have. It's just the. Hey, yeah, it's. No, it doesn't have the code for this one. It's okay. I don't need it. I just need the blade. So this is the blade. So this is your shield. It's not shield. Tortoise. Yeah. And it has this back, so that will not. Ooh. See this one? See that? Wow! Very nice, man. That's a very nice kind of blade. Wow. So I want the winning piece or the winning bay, which is the green one, but yeah, it's already sold out. Okay, so I bought this. I think this is for 700 pesos, maybe 700 or 600 pesos for just the blade only. Yeah. So again, focus on that. Yep, that's the blade, and it's really sealed and it's not been used. So let's see if it has a dent. No, it doesn't have. So now we have the blade. So what I really need to do this time is to find the ratchet and the blade. Oh no, the ratchet and the bit of the set for this one. Even it's the yellow one, still okay for me, because the parts or the mold of the blade is still the same with the green one, so it's just okay. So I just need to find the ratchet and the bit for this one. So it's not a winning bay, but still okay. Now the next one is a winning bay, because we have here your. Ooh, this is your whale wave, man. That's a whale wave, and it's the winning piece or the winning bay of our whale wave random booster. Because if you cannot get it, yeah, you will have just the white and the black one, and it's not also the right combination or set of your whale wave. So this one, I have the set, I have the blade, so I just need to find the ratchet and the bit for this one. So yeah, this is your whale wave. So you can see there. I hope you can see it. That's your whale wave, man. Very nice. And yeah, we can open it and we can see it here. And that is your Wailway. Very nice. Very nice, very nice bay. Wow. But yeah, I cannot use this to join any competition here in the Philippines because I doesn't have the Banky. But I don't know if there are some other competitions that doesn't need the Banky stickers. Okay, so yeah, so much for that. These are your two bays, or your two blades rather, that we have and we ordered in overseas, because this is from overseas, and I'm very happy to have this. Even they are just the bladesmen. Excuse me. They are just the bladesmen. It doesn't have the ratchet or the bit. But now I will really hunt its ratchet and bits for this one. And I think I have something for this, because I already have a fake. I forget the name. I really forgot the name on this one. No, it's not a Drasil. It's shield, tortoise shield. Am I right? But yeah, and again, I just put the correct name on the title. Okay. And the Wailwave also, I need to find the set, the ratchet. Even it's not the same color, as long as it's the same ratchet, the same height, the same number of contact points, and also the same bit, I will have it. I will really buy it. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. So yeah, maybe I will have something, a test battle on this one if I have the correct set for the ratchet and the bit. Yeah. But still, it's a nice one. It's a good one right there. Yeah, see that? See that? See that? I hope you can see it. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, so this is our blade and winning piece, and the second winning piece of the different random boosters of Beyblade X. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off, even it's not a Gunpla. That's it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Bye. Well, I can see. Bye bye. Bye-bye. I think this is a nice thumbnail. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Peace out. Woo! So, if you reach this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Beyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much.